Scream. It could be good, it could be bad, you'll never know. But in the startup screen, we just got another goal. Your daughter's watching hockey right now? I used to watch hockey. Yeah. Sorry, I get kind of loud. All right, I'm sorry. But I was like, I'm not going to delay stream, but I got to watch the games. So, you know. All right. That is how they get you. What the fuck? Don't you take out a yellow card. I'll kick your ass, buddy. Okay. Sorry. I do get a little violent. I'm sorry. I'm really hoping Rice can get another goal so he can have a hat trick. No. All right. Just to fuck with him. Yep. Oh, it's football, soccer. Football. True. Scared the fuck out of him. No! Fuck you people. Fuck you, Bournemouth. It's all right. We're still ahead. So that's okay. Fuck. Oh, Raya was so close. It like brushed his fingers. Oh, no, it wasn't. It wasn't as close as I thought. Oh. I was like, I thought I turned my music off. I'm not even paying attention to his game. I'm sorry. It is. All right. So I'm working with some clay today. I'm gonna make some clay jewelry. Ooh. Or I promise I'll be doing more of it once the game is over. I can't concentrate. I'm just sitting here. I'm like, No. Get that away from him. Okay. Oof. Fucking corner. Not for us. All right, come on, boys. We got this. Oh, okay. All right. So I'm working with clay. And I'm gonna make what's called a leaf cane. And then I'm also going to try, so I've got some other white. Sorry. I've also got some more white. And I'm gonna make a couple different shades of blue. And I'm gonna try, not sure it's gonna work, but I'm going to try to make Um, a world tree cane. I'm gonna try. Wait, Rise. What the fuck? Wait. Who just got that yellow card? Okay. Whew, not us. Okay.